Hello kids, welcome to Smart School online classes. Today I am going to make your practice for English reading. So let's begin. Today's story is The Great Big Turnip. Once there was a farmer. His name was Ben. He lived with his wife, Becky, and son Nick. The three lived in a little yellow house. Near the yellow house was a little garden. In the garden they grew turnips. One of the turnips grew and grew. One day they decided to cook the big purple turnip. Ben held the thick stem of the vegetable and pulled. The turnip did not move. Then Ben called Becky. Both of them tried to pull it out together, but the turnip remained stuck in the ground. A little mouse passing by said, "I can pull out the turnip." Ben said, "No, thank you. You are too small. Let's call Nick. He can help," said Becky. Ben pulled the turnip. Becky pulled Ben. Nick pulled his mother. Together, they all pulled the turnip, but the turnip would not move. "I will call my friend Sally. She can help," said Nick. Nick called Sally. They all formed a line and pulled hard. Still the turnip did not come out. "I think my dog Spotty can help," said Sally. She called Spotty. Everyone pulled hard, but the turnip stayed put. "I think Kitty, my friend, can help," said Spotty. Spotty ran to find Kitty. Together they all tried to pull that turnip from the ground. They could not pull it out. The little mouse was watching this. He clapped and said, "I will help." So the mouse held on to Kitty. Kitty held on to Spotty. Spotty held on to Sally. Sally held on to Nick. Nick held on to Becky. Becky pulled Ben. Ben pulled the turnip. Together they all pulled. Pop out came the turnip. It flew into the air. Everyone tumbled backwards. "See," said the mouse, "I told you I could do it." Thank you for watching this video. You have any suggestion for us? So definitely tell us in the comment box. If this online classes is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you again in the next video. Thank you.